The Paleolithic, or Old Stone Age, ranges from the first emergence of Homo sapiens to about 12,000 years ago. Typically, Paleolithic societies were hunting-gathering bands. Due to the fact that they moved with the herds, Paleolithic societies were relatively socially equal. People had few possessions, they owned no land, so individual characteristics like personal intelligence created any sort of social inequality rather than personal possession. Hunting and gathering societies were generally equal in terms of gender and each contributed equally. Men traveled to hunt large game, while women and children gathered plants. Women's roles, although less adventuresome, were more vital to the survival of these bands of peoples. They gathered the plants, which would enable human beings to survive times of unsuccessful hunts, and they also allowed for greater knowledge of medicinal plants, the only way that these people would survive any sort of illness. Only in areas where food is plentiful would Paleolithic people stay in one place. We see settlements like this in the Mediterranean, Japan, and the Pacific Northwest of the United States. We also see other peoples during this time period, particularly the Neanderthals, and they get their name from the Neander Valley, which is in modern-day Germany. And there, for about 15,000 years, though, we know that Homo sapiens and Neanderthals lived side by side. In fact, we know that they traded with one another, and DNA analysis suggests that they might have interbred with one another.